Hey guys, welcome to this newest video. Thank you very much for the 250 subscribers. I got this package. This is all blurred, but thank you very much for the subscribers. So let's unbox it and see what is in it. You probably all have already seen it in the title, but that's so cool. Oh wait, this is not it. I don't really know what it is. It's this guy. Well, it's a card. I really don't know what this is. Oh, it says what it is. So PVC coating. That's what we have with the stickers from the PVC coating. So it's not the same box as the Gen 30.5. That one was way better. But, well, I don't blame them, because that will cost a lot more money. So at first we got a new credit card, so I'm gonna be rich. And no wonder this costs such a lot of money. This is the toolbox. Let's open it. And we've got another bag, or I don't know what this is. Wait, did we get free lubricant? Whoa, so cool. I don't know how I got it, because I really didn't pay for that. But here's another can thingy. I don't need it. So this tool we need to keep. It's very important for the customization. AI, okay, I don't care. And here it's hope you can read Chinese. No, there's an English version. Well, they updated the GAN manual for how to solve it, but it's still pretty big. Yeah. Okay, we don't need that. I know, Seafool. So next one. The customization. That's the one we need. Doesn't even fit on, oh wait. So it doesn't even fit on the screen. But this part we don't need, so already a bit better. So let's start. Yeah, let's just unbox the cube. Okay, so one thing I think is really cool about this box is you have this. So in the bottom, it's too bad this thing doesn't fit it in, but still pretty cool. I've got because this is the V11 box. I've got the V10 box, and because I just ordered it. All my boxes always break. This is it. You can already see the PVC stickers, the Exoshield overlays, because I ordered that with it. And the GAN sticker survived. I thought I would get another sticker, the Speedcube Shop sticker, but I didn't. So yeah. Well, let's open it, because I only just thought, because the previous GAN cube I got was the GAN 11 and Pro, so that's a long time ago. It was my third speed cube. But we did it. I can already, without turning, feel it's pretty dry. It's pretty light though. Yeah, you can just. It's very sandy. Way too fast out of the box. Because the previous unboxing I did for 150 subscribers was the Tornado V3. I'll get it. That's this one. Yeah, the box is broken, but don't look at it. So this one is really quiet, and very good factory settings. Does it have? But this one does have 1296 combinations. So let's get this out of the way and let's do a solve. So well, the first thing I felt is that the magnets weren't strong enough, so I'm definitely gonna adjust that. But also it's very loose, since I wanted to do this, but this, but it just only did I think this is the S move. So yeah, that's pretty bad. So if you want to see me adjust this, subscribe again, and at 10 likes I will adjust and make another video on it. So 70 seconds, pretty bad. See you.